Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on Python program for smallest of three given numbers. That means suppose we are given three numbers, how to find out the smallest number among the three given numbers using Python program. Okay. Next, first we have to write the program. After that, I am explaining the logic. Okay. So here a is equal to int of input of enter the first number. Next, b is equal to int of input of enter the second number. Next, c is equal to int of input of enter the third number. Okay, so here we have to read the first number from the keyboard and it can be assigned to variable A. Read the second number from the keyboard, that can be assigned to B. Read the third number from the keyboard, that can be assigned to C. Okay, next we have to compare A with B and C. If A less than B and A less than C, okay, colon, print A is smaller. Okay, else if, that is else if means if B less than C, colon, print B is bigger, sorry, B is smaller. Next, else print C is smaller. Okay, so this is the given program. Okay, so here output I am writing after explaining the logic. Okay, so in the first step, enter the first number. Enter the first number. So I am entering the first number from the keyboard. So I am entering value 5 from the keyboard. This value can be taken by the input function, that is input of 5. This input of 5 function read the input from the keyboard and returns the string 5. String 5 is nothing but 5 can be put in double quotes, then it becomes a string. Okay, this string input is typecasted by using the int. So name int of string 5. So now this typecasting int can convert the string 5 into integer 5. Okay. Now this 5 value can be assigned to the variable a. So therefore a is equal to 5. Okay. In the same way b and c. Enter the second number. enter the second number, that is 3. Okay. So now input function can read the input value 3 from the keyboard and returns the string 3. This string 3 can be typecasted by using int function. So now it returns integer 3. Now that value 3 can be assigned to the variable b. So therefore b is equal to 3. Okay. Next we go for third statement. Enter the third number. Enter the third number. I am entering 1. Okay. So this 1 can be taken by the input function and returns the string 1, and this string 1 can be typecasted by int, then it returns integer 1 value. So this integer 1 value can be assigned to the variable c. So now c is equal to 3. Okay. So after entering the a value, b value and c value, okay, a value is equal to 5, b value is equal to 3 and c value is equal to 1. Now we go for logic. Okay, if a less than b, a value means 5, 5 less than b value 3, and means logical operator and. Okay, a less than c, a value is a 5 less than c value is 1. Okay, so here 5 less than 3, 5 less than 3, this is false. Okay, and 5 less than 1, this is also false. Both are false, then return total false. Okay, so here how we are telling, so this expression is false, this expression is false, false and false is equal to false. So I am writing the AND truth table. So AND means it is logical AND. Okay, not AND, it is a logical AND. So in the logical AND, okay, so true and true, both are true. So this expression is true and this expression is true. True and true is equal to true. Next, true and false. One is true, first expression is true, second expression is false, the total is false. Next, first expression is false and second expression is true. Again, this is false. Next, first expression is false and the second expression is false. Then total is false. So this is the AND truth table. Okay. So by using this truth table, we have to find first expression is false, second expression is false. False and false, that is equal to false. Whenever this expression and this expression are false, false and false is false. Whenever if condition is false, then the control does not enters into the if block. Okay. If the condition is true, so both conditions are, this expression is true and this expression is true, both are true, then this total is true, then the control enters into the if block. But here this expression is false and this expression is false, false and false, that is total is equal to false, then the control does not enters into the if block, that is inside the if block. So now control goes to the next statement, that is else if. Okay, if the condition is false, then go to the next else if. Here else if can be written as else plus if. Okay, else if b less than c. So now else if b value is 3, b value is 3, 3 less than 1. So 3 less than 1 is, this is also false. 3 less than 1, that is also false. Again, the control does not enters into the else block, else if block, because here this condition is false. Okay, whenever this condition is false, go to the next else block. else else block. In the else block, there is no condition is there. Print C is smaller. Okay, so therefore else here C is smaller. Okay, this condition is false, this condition is false. Go to the else statement. In the else statement, what is the statement is there? So that is C is smaller. So therefore the output is C is smaller. Okay, here A value 5, B value 3, C value 1. Among the three values, which value is lesser? Which value is smaller? 1. So that C is smaller. Okay, here the total program can be concentrate on this table and truth table. Both expressions are true. The total expression true. One is true and second one is false. The total is false. One expression is false and another expression is true, then the total is false. First expression is false and second expression is false, the total expression is false. Whenever the here both conditions are true, the control enters into the if block, otherwise go to the else if block. Here the condition is true, then the control enters into the else if block, otherwise go to the else block. Here there are no conditions are there, again goes to the statements within the else block, that is executed. So now we go for output. So that is enter the first number. Enter the first number. What is the first number? First number value is 5. So therefore A is equal to 5. 5 can be assigned to A value. Next statement, enter the second number. Enter the second number. Second number value I am entering 3. So this 3 can be assigned to variable B. Next, enter the third number. Enter the third number. Third number is 1. That value can be assigned to 1. Okay. Therefore, C is smaller. Which number is smaller among 5, 3, 1? So 1 is smaller, so that C is smaller is. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name Divvela Srinivasarao. Thank you.